This is our 1937 Ford truck delivery, sitting on a 1992 Ford Ranger frame. It's got a 3.0 liter V6 in pretty rough condition. Nothing fits together right on it. Somebody decided to make both front doors suicide doors. Fenders were barely attached. So I'm going to pull the radiator, drain the antifreeze, and work on getting a grill mounted.
We've got to show anything this way?
Yeah, see how long it is over here on this side here? It's like 5 inches long or 4 inches long.
A little bit like that side it is?
Yes, and so to break this, so if I cut, maybe it's about 1 inch long or 1 inch wide from the radiator, it fits right up in there.
Bolt down still?
Oh, yeah.
It bolts over the right way?
Yep, hoses on the right side.
Okay. Still have to break that.
It'll work.
All right.
Another one. Yeah, let's see what we can do here. There we go. All right. Good save. We'll have to cut part of this cross member out. Well, probably go ahead and remove all of it. Shouldn't affect the sway bar. And then, yeah, that's not our welding. Yeah, mine ain't perfect, but it dang sure ain't that bad.